Have you ever replaced a BMW starter only to encounter a no-start condition after reinstalling everything correctly? There may be a simple reason why, and we'll let you know what it is in this edition of Inside the Brands. Hi, I'm Alex Gucci, a product manager at CRP Automotive. As I hinted at in the intro, we've been hearing a lot from our customers about a no-start condition after replacing BMW starters, even when the repair technician did everything correctly. Sometimes the engine will start at the shop, but a week or two later, when the customer has the car, it will come back due to a no-start. Well, one reason behind the no-start situation may not have anything to do with the technician or the starter itself, and everything to do with the starter bolts. The bolts for these starters actually serve a dual purpose. They secure the starter and also ground the starter. These aluminum torque to yield or stretch bolts are uncoated as supplied from BMW. Coated bolts interfere with the grounding of the starter, causing the no-start situation. So make sure you are using Rein Automotive aluminum bolts, which are not coated and allow for the proper grounding of the starter. Rein bolts also come with the needed torque specs. Which brings me to my final bit of advice. Remember that the starter mounting bolts are single use only. You should not reuse previously torqued bolts when reinstalling the starter. If you have a question about these bolts or any other Rein Automotive parts, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get tech tips like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.